This is our modern take on a classic Cantonese stir-fry, tofu and broccoli with oyster sauce. From fridge to plate in just 20 minutes, it's a budget-friendly, protein-packed meal that's perfect for those nights when you just don't know what to cook. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you that good food doesn't need to be difficult, expensive, or need tons of space. Let's get started. First, finely mince 3 cloves of garlic, then mince a small piece of ginger, Next, cut your broccoli into bite-sized pieces. We always encourage using the entire broccoli, including the stem. Not only does it help you get more value from your grocery budget, but the stem is packed with nutrients and adds a great texture to the dish. And Henry loves them too. When you cut the broccoli, if you cut from the stem, then split each floret this way. You get cleaner cuts and there's less to clean up after. Now let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 4 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon mirin, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Give everything a good stir until combined. To make this recipe vegan, simply swap the oyster sauce for mushroom sauce. Next, pat your tofu dry and cut each piece into 4 even portions. We like to cut each piece in half, then cut each half in half again to keep everything roughly the same size. Add just enough oil to lightly coat the bottom of the pan, about 1 or 2 teaspoons. Place the tofu into a cold pan, making sure that the pieces are spread out and not touching. This helps prevent sticking and gives each piece room to brown evenly. Now place the pan over a medium heat and cook for around 10 minutes or until the tofu is golden brown. Starting with a cold pan has a couple of benefits. It reduces oil splatter and gives you time to arrange a tofu without worrying about hot oil hitting your hand. Once the first side is nicely browned, flip the tofu and cook the other side until golden as well. Remove the tofu from the pan and set aside while we cook the broccoli. Using the same pan, add the ginger and cook until fragrant. Then add the garlic and stir fry for about a minute. Add the broccoli and toss everything together so the garlic and ginger coat the broccoli evenly. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour in the sauce. Stir well to coat the broccoli, then continue to cook until the sauce thickens. Give everything an occasional stir to ensure it cooks evenly. Once the sauce is thickened, return the tofu to the pan. Gently toss everything together until the tofu is coated in that glossy sauce. And that's it, ready to serve. Here's our tofu and broccoli with oyster sauce. Made with just 2 core ingredients, it's affordable, packed with protein and full of flavour. The sauce delivers the perfect balance of sweetness, savouriness and a deep umami, making it incredibly satisfying after a long day. This simple sauce is one of the foundations of Cantonese cooking and forms the base of countless Chinese dishes. And if you want to take this to the next level, try making this with our crispy tofu. Well, thanks for joining us, and remember, you're welcome in our kitchen anytime.